So hello guys, in today's video we are going to make a Facebook phishing page, which I am going to tell you about this. So first of all, let me go to your browser, any browser what you like. I prefer Edge or any Chrome, whatever browser you use, and go to my profile on GitHub, that is Dhruvraj Singh Shekhawat, github.com/dhruvraj Singh Shekhawat, and please do follow me because I have only one follower, and I have been here for 3 days and I have created a repository. So go to the repository sections and check out repository face phishing. If you are first of all, if you are new, means if you are checking it now today, so you will find it, or if you are late by any means, so you can search on repository search section and you will find about it. So this is all about face phishing. So first of all, this is about section of Facebook face phishing. So this is a file to create Facebook phishing site to get victims Gmail and password, and this is only for educational purpose. I say twice that it is only for educational purpose. So first of all, get a free hosting site. I prefer 000webhosting.com. Okay, so you can take any free hosting site, whatever you like. Okay, then you can, if you want to make a domain, free domain means if you want a domain too, so you can go to freenom.com. It is a free domain giving site, and you can make your own domain here. But I prefer not to take any domain because it is not advised to take, because they will not allow you to make a site like Facebook or phishing site, because they their AI based search engine tells that is a phishing site, right? So now these are all files, whatever files you have here. So take these files, download it, and download it in one folder so that you can get easy access to it. Okay, you need to publish those sites on free hosting site, upload those sites, right? So download all the sites, and first of all, this is roboto.ttf, and this is index.html, and I think you need to copy the site, copy the web, whatever I have written the code. So copy it. It is a HTML site. So when you copy it, then go to raw and control+A and control+C. Okay, so now you have copied the HTML site. Now you need to copy login.php, where you have all the material regarding all the stuff regarding your password and all. So first you need to go to, now copy it, go to row and control+A and same control+C. Now you have copied all this. Now make a folder and now all paste all the sites here. So now with extensions of HTML, PHP and whatever given, right? I have already made a folder for it. Now you can go to any free hosting site and upload your files there. So it was, and follow me on social media. It is my Twitter, and disclaimer, it's only for educational purpose. Don't use it for any harm or any cyber crime, right? So you can make your free host. You can first, you need to sign up for your hosting site, and then you need to make a password for it, and this was for hosting site. And this was all for today's video. So I hope you would like it, and please subscribe me, follow me on GitHub, follow me on Twitter, and this was for today.